it's nice to be able to get up in the morning and go to work and be able to make a difference in somebody's life. I mean, that's what we do as trial lawyers, is you make a difference in a family's life, one family at a time. I try to do high-end personal injury work. Probably at least 80% of what I do is maintaining a nationwide practice representing injured railroad workers. I have tried cases to verdicts in 15 different states. Well, what we do when a case comes in the office, we open our file, we do our investigation, we get the medical records. Literally everybody in the office knows the file. So if the clients call, and they don't happen to call my cell phone, if they just call the landline here, my paralegal Amy knows everything about the file, and she can converse with them. Karen, our bookkeeper, who's also my wife, she will talk to them. The clients will call the investigators that are assigned to their case and talk to them about what's going on. We all know what's going on all the time. The information isn't just held by one person or by two people. And we'll get together and we'll talk about these cases and try to figure out the best way to work. It's not something that's all just done by me. So what we have to do when we're end of the spectrum is get in there and literally outwork the other side. And that's something that we get a great deal of personal satisfaction with. We have 4 investigators. One of my investigators was a full-time police officer. And we relish the opportunity to get in there and find the chinks in the armor and be able to present our client's case in the best possible light. At the end of the day, the number that you see on the website, it's all going to go to this phone. And I'm the one that's going to handle your case. I'm the one that's going to be available 24/7. The only time you can't call me is when I'm sleeping and this thing's docking and recharging. Other than that, you can always call me. The biggest criticism people have of lawyers is they don't return their phone calls. The way I practice law my entire life is, even if I'm in trial, if you call me and you need to talk to me, you're going to get a return call that day. I have clients that are 20 years post-settlement or post-verdict that still call me and still tell me stories about how their families are doing, and we check up on them. I want these folks, they're just not clients. I want them to be friends once we finished up. The greatest thing that we can have, the greatest testimonial I can ever get from a client is 3 years, 5 years down the line when someone calls me and says, "You represented my friend so-and-so, and I called him to get your number, and he told me, hire Pat, he's the best lawyer in the country, and you'll really enjoy working with him." That's the best satisfaction that we get in doing this type of work, when you get those type of referrals. In each case, whether it's a $10,000 case or it's a $10 million case, everybody gets the same care, the same attention, because it's their case.